Bravo team, do you copy? Storm incoming. Send immediate support.
Captain.
What'd you find?
It's definitely Bravo team, but the tracks end here.
They can't just disappear.
Where the hell did that come from?
Back in the vehicle!
It's gaining on us!
What the hell just happened?
On our 6!
Holy.
How did we get here? Stop! We are not your enemy. We're soldiers.
Give me your hand!
But we need weapons. Gotta tell me about that. What happened to your family? If we can get into their world, we can get into ours.
My God.
We gotta get home. You with me?
Yeah!